When you're the global market leader in solar tracking technology, you don't run from challenges, you face them head-on. From NX Horizon, the world's most deployed smart solar tracker on the planet, to TrueCapture, the only performance-boosting tracking software proven on hundreds of PV power plants, Nextracker is simplifying and de-risking solar projects at a whole new level. Introducing NX Horizon-XTR, the latest solar tracker innovation from Nextracker that solves for hilly terrain. As utility-scale solar expands into regions with complex site topographies and rolling hills, conventional tracking systems are limited. Most tracker systems require longer foundation piles, extensive grading, or a combination of both to accommodate rolling north-south terrain installations, which all adds up to additional costs, potential delays, and environmental concerns, putting projects at risk. NX Horizon-XTR takes on undulating land in stride. How? NX Horizon-XTR breaks the paradigm of straight-line tracker rows, conforming to the ups and downs of north-south terrain, which minimizes earthwork requirements, reduces foundation steel, and keeps construction costs in check. What's more, XTR reduces environmental impacts and installation schedules associated with grading land on project sites.
One of the things that excites me about Horizon XTR is our ability to terrain follow and roll with the land. Some areas of a property that might have been non-constructible or too expensive can now be reached appropriately with ease. Horizon XTR has allowed us to reduce our earthwork and disturb less of the topsoil on the properties we own.
Plan better by reducing permit risk and improving community acceptance for simpler, faster project approvals. Build smarter, save money, reduce schedule delays, and operate efficiently by minimizing land maintenance and remediation costs.
Nextracker Horizon-XTR allows us to pursue sites we would have otherwise had to pass on. These sites were not economically feasible before, but with terrain following, now they are.
With technology currently powering gigawatts of solar power plants across 6 continents, transform your site challenges into productive solar opportunities with NX Horizon-XTR. Contact us today to learn more.